If you've spent any time looking for a budget survival rifle, you've probably seen the exact same recommendations over and over again. Somebody mentions the Ruger 1022. Somebody else brings up the Henry AR7. They're both solid firearms, and they've earned their reputation. But once everyone starts repeating the same answers, a lot of genuinely capable rifles end up disappearing into the background. That's what today's video is about. We're stepping away from the obvious choices and looking at rifles that don't usually get the spotlight. These are the guns quietly sitting on store shelves, hiding in the used rack at your local gun shop, or getting overlooked simply because they don't have the marketing behind them. Some cost less than a weekend training class, yet they'll still put food on the table, ride in a truck for years, or disappear into a backpack without becoming a burden. Now, cheap doesn't automatically mean good. There are plenty of bargain rifles that cut corners where it matters most. Weak extractors, inconsistent magazines, rough triggers, and questionable long-term durability can turn a low price into an expensive mistake. When you're talking about a survival rifle, reliability always comes before features. If it won't fire every time you need it, nothing else really matters. So instead of chasing brand popularity, we're looking at practical performance. How easy is it to maintain in the field? Can you still find magazines and spare parts a few years from now? Does it run well with the inexpensive ammunition most people actually stockpile? Is it accurate enough to make clean hits on small game? And perhaps most importantly, does it give you real value instead of just a low price tag? Number 10, Chiappa Little Badger. At first glance, the Chiappa Little Badger doesn't look like a rifle most people would trust in a survival situation. Its skeletonized frame, minimalist stock, and ultra lightweight design make it seem almost unfinished. But that first impression misses the point entirely. This rifle wasn't built to impress anyone at the range. It was built to disappear into a backpack and be ready whenever it's needed. The Little Badger is a simple, break-action, single-shot rifle chambered in .22 LR. With so few moving parts, there's very little that can actually fail. No detachable magazines to lose, no complicated operating system to keep clean, and no action that depends on ammunition power to cycle. Open it, load around, close it, and you're ready to fire. That simplicity is exactly what gives this rifle its strength. Weighing only a few pounds, it's easy to carry on long hikes, stash behind a truck seat, or pack into an emergency kit without taking up valuable space. Folded down, it becomes one of the most compact rifles in its class while remaining quick to deploy when small game or camp duties call for it. Even with its stripped-down appearance, Chiappa didn't ignore practical features. The rifle includes a Picatinny rail for mounting an optic and a threaded barrel on many versions, allowing owners to configure it for their own needs. Pair it with quality .22 LR ammunition, and it delivers more accuracy than most people expect from a rifle at this price point. But that's not what this rifle was designed to do. If your priorities are portability, mechanical simplicity, low maintenance, and dependable performance on a tight budget, the Chiappa Little Badger earns its place as one of the most underrated survival rifles you can still find today. Number 9, Mossberg 702 Plinkster. Not every dependable survival rifle has to be built around premium materials or a famous reputation. Sometimes the smartest purchase is the one that quietly does its job year after year without demanding much from your wallet. That's exactly where the Mossberg 702 Plinkster stands out. Instead of chasing tactical styling or expensive upgrades, this rifle focuses on practicality. Chambered in .22 LR and operating with a simple blowback semi-automatic action, it's easy to learn, quick to handle, and inexpensive to feed. For anyone building emergency skills through regular practice, that low operating cost becomes one of its biggest advantages. The lightweight synthetic stock makes the rifle comfortable to carry for extended periods, while its balanced handling allows fast follow-up shots on small game. Whether you're dealing with rabbits, squirrels, or pests around camp, the Plinkster provides enough accuracy for realistic field distances without requiring match-grade ammunition. Another strength is its straightforward maintenance. The action is uncomplicated, cleaning is simple, and routine upkeep doesn't require specialized tools or advanced gunsmithing knowledge. For a rifle intended to be used often rather than admired in a safe, that kind of simplicity matters. Of course, this isn't a rifle built for heavy customization. Aftermarket support is much smaller than what you'll find for a Ruger 1022, and magazine availability can vary depending on where you live. If your goal is building a heavily modified rimfire platform, there are better starting points. Number 8, Savage 64. If portability defined the last rifle, this one earns its place for an entirely different reason. The Savage 64 has built a reputation by offering consistent performance without asking buyers to spend a fortune. It isn't flashy, and that's exactly why many experienced shooters continue to recommend it. Chambered in .22 LR, the rifle uses a proven blowback semi-automatic system that has been around for decades. Its design favors reliability over innovation, making it well suited for long afternoons of inexpensive practice or repeated trips into the field. A survival rifle only becomes valuable if you've spent enough time behind it, and the Savage 64 makes that affordable. Accuracy is another area where this rifle quietly exceeds expectations. The barrel delivers dependable groups with common bulk ammunition, while standard velocity loads often produce even better consistency. That makes it a practical choice for harvesting small game without burning through premium ammunition. Unlike rifles built around endless accessories, the Savage 64 rewards shooters who appreciate simplicity. The controls are straightforward, recoil is almost non-existent, and new shooters usually become comfortable with the platform after only a short-range session. It's a rifle that encourages skill development rather than equipment upgrades. Its biggest limitation comes from the magazine system. The magazines aren't as common or as widely supported as those for the Ruger 1022, and aftermarket customization remains fairly limited. If building a personalized rimfire project is your goal, other platforms offer far more flexibility. But for someone who simply wants an affordable rifle that delivers dependable accuracy, low operating costs, and proven field performance, the Savage 64 remains one of the strongest values in the survival rifle market. It may never receive the same attention as more famous competitors, yet it continues to prove that practical performance matters far more than popularity. Number 7. Rossi RS22. A survival rifle doesn't always need to be the lightest or the most accurate. Sometimes the smartest choice is the one you'll actually take to the range on a regular basis. That's where the Rossi RS22 earns its reputation. It combines familiar controls, dependable handling, and a price that makes frequent practice realistic instead of expensive. Built around a semi-automatic blowback action, the rifle is chambered in .22 LR and feeds from detachable magazines. The controls are intuitive, making the transition easy for shooters who already own centerfire sporting rifles. That familiarity can shorten the learning curve when introducing new shooters or building practical marksmanship skills. One area where the Rossi separates itself from many budget rimfires is ergonomics. The stock provides a comfortable shoulder position, the rifle balances well, and the overall handling feels more substantial than its price might suggest. Those qualities make it easier to stay on target during rapid strings of fire and more enjoyable during long practice sessions. The platform also offers enough accessory support to grow with the shooter. Mounting a simple rimfire scope or red dot is straightforward, allowing the rifle to serve as a trainer, a small game hunting rifle, or a general purpose camp gun. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on upgrades to get useful performance out of it. Its trade-off is that quality control can vary more than with higher priced rifles. Like many firearms in the entry-level market, some examples benefit from a thorough cleaning and a proper break-in period before reaching their best reliability. Using quality magazines and dependable ammunition also helps the rifle perform consistently. Even with those considerations, the Rossi RS22 delivers something many survival-minded shooters appreciate: a capable semi-automatic rifle that leaves room in the budget for optics, spar magazines, and several thousand rounds of practice ammunition. In the long run, that extra trigger time often matters far more than owning a more expensive rifle that rarely leaves the safe. Number 6. Winchester Wildcat. Some rifles earn attention because they're revolutionary. The Winchester Wildcat earns it by solving everyday problems that many rimfire owners simply accept. Instead of focusing on raw durability or bargain pricing, this rifle was designed around convenience, making it one of the easiest .22 LR platforms to live with over the long term. The first thing you'll notice is how simple it is to maintain. With the push of a button, the lower assembly can be removed from the stock, giving direct access to the action for cleaning. After a long weekend at the range or a dusty trip through the woods, that quick field maintenance becomes a genuine advantage instead of another chore. The rifle operates with a reliable semi-automatic blowback system and feeds from magazines compatible with the Ruger 1022 pattern. That's a major benefit because replacement magazines are widely available, giving owners far more flexibility than many other budget rimfires in this price range. Another strength is the rifle's handling. The lightweight polymer stock keeps fatigue to a minimum while the controls are positioned for fast, intuitive operation. The magazine release and bolt controls are easy to reach without dramatically changing your grip, allowing smoother reloads during practice sessions. The Wildcat isn't built to be a precision competition rifle, and the factory trigger reflects that. Shooters looking for tiny groups at extended rimfire distances will likely want a heavier barrel and a more refined trigger system than this platform offers. But practical survival rifles aren't judged by bench rest standards. They're judged by how quickly they can get back into service after thousands of rounds, how easy they are to maintain with limited equipment, and whether replacement parts are readily available when something eventually wears out. In those areas, the Winchester Wildcat quietly stands above many better-known competitors, making it one of the smartest modern rimfire rifles in its price class. Number 5, Midland Backpack. When people think about a survival rifle, they often picture detachable magazines, optics, and tactical accessories. The Midland Backpack takes the opposite approach. It strips away everything that isn't essential and focuses on one question: will the rifle still work when conditions are less than ideal? Built around a break-action design, the Midland Backpack is mechanically simple and remarkably dependable. With so few internal components, there's little that can go out of alignment or require constant adjustment. That makes it an attractive option for shooters who value reliability over firepower. Its biggest advantage is versatility. Unlike many dedicated rimfire rifles, the backpack platform is offered in multiple chamberings, allowing owners to choose a caliber that best fits their intended role. Whether the priority is inexpensive practice, small game hunting, or carrying a lightweight utility rifle into remote areas, the platform provides flexibility that many budget rifles simply don't offer. The compact design is another major strength. It separates easily for transport, fits inside a backpack without attracting attention, and stores efficiently in a vehicle or emergency kit. For hikers, campers, or anyone assembling a bug-out bag, that reduced footprint can be just as valuable as saving a few extra ounces. Naturally, there are compromises. The single-shot action slows every reload, making this rifle poorly suited for situations where rapid follow-up shots are critical. It's a tool built around precision and ammunition conservation rather than sustained fire. Number 4, Savage Mark IIF. Unlike the semi-automatic rifles we've already discussed, the Mark IIF uses a manually operated bolt action. That design brings two important advantages. First, it cycles virtually any .22 LR load, from quiet subsonic rounds to high-velocity hunting ammunition, without worrying about whether the action has enough energy to operate. Second, the locked bolt helps produce the kind of consistency that precision shooters appreciate. Accuracy is where this rifle has earned its reputation. Even with reasonably priced factory ammunition, it's capable of producing tight groups that inspire confidence on small game. When every cartridge matters, placing a single, well-aimed shot is often far more valuable than carrying a larger magazine. Another reason the Mark II has remained popular for so many years is its proven design. The action has been refined over decades, replacement parts are easy to obtain, and the platform has developed a reputation for lasting through years of regular use with little more than routine maintenance. That kind of long-term durability is difficult to ignore when choosing a rifle meant to stay in service for decades rather than seasons. The trigger is another pleasant surprise. Many versions feature Savage's AccuTrigger system, allowing shooters to enjoy a lighter, cleaner break than what is normally expected from an entry-level bolt-action rifle. That improved trigger control makes precise shooting easier without requiring expensive aftermarket upgrades. But this rifle was never designed around defensive volume of fire. It was designed to deliver dependable precision, outstanding ammunition, flexibility, and mechanical longevity at a price most shooters can still afford. If your definition of survival means quietly collecting food while conserving every round you carry, the Savage Mark IIF is one of the strongest values in the entire rimfire market. Number 3, Island Armory TM22. Most budget rimfire rifles rely on lightweight polymer construction to keep costs down. The Island Armory TM22 takes a different approach. From the moment you pick it up, the rifle feels more substantial, giving it a level of refinement that's uncommon in this price range. One of its standout features is the aluminum receiver. Compared with many entry-level rimfires, the extra rigidity gives the rifle a more solid feel while helping it maintain consistent performance over extended shooting sessions. Combined with its balanced weight, the TM22 tracks smoothly from target to target and remains easy to control during rapid fire. The semi-automatic action is designed around reliability with standard .22 LR ammunition, making it equally comfortable as a recreational range rifle or a practical small game companion. Feed it quality ammunition. Keep it reasonably clean, and it rewards the shooter with dependable operation and surprisingly consistent accuracy. Another area where this rifle shines is overall fit and finish. The controls feel well laid out, the magazine inserts positively, and the platform has a modern appearance without sacrificing practicality. Many shooters are surprised by how premium it feels compared to other rifles in the same price bracket. Like any newer platform, it doesn't enjoy the enormous aftermarket support available for classics like the Ruger 1022. Custom parts, specialized accessories, and replacement components aren't nearly as widespread, so owners shouldn't expect endless upgrade possibilities. Number 2, CZ457 Scout. If every rifle we've covered so far has been about getting the most value for the least money, this next choice earns its spot for a different reason. The CZ457 Scout proves that spending a little more, especially on the used market, can buy a level of refinement that many budget rifles simply can't match. Built on the respected 457 action, this bolt-action rifle is chambered in .22 LR and has developed an outstanding reputation for precision. The receiver locks up smoothly, the bolt cycles with very little effort, and the cold hammer-forged barrel consistently delivers excellent accuracy with quality ammunition. It's the kind of rifle that encourages careful marksmanship instead of hurried shooting. One of the biggest advantages of the 457 platform is its modular design. Owners can swap barrels, change stocks, and upgrade components without replacing the entire rifle. That flexibility means the Scout can evolve alongside its owner, serving as a compact trainer today and a more specialized field rifle later on. The trigger is another area where the rifle stands apart. It offers a crisp, predictable break that makes precise shot placement easier, especially when engaging small targets at longer rimfire distances. Combined with the rifle's excellent barrel quality, it gives shooters confidence that missed shots are more likely to be their own mistake rather than a limitation of the firearm. The obvious downside is price. Brand new examples often exceed the $300 budget that defines this list. However, the used market regularly tells a different story. Patient buyers can often find well-maintained Scout models within that price range, making it one of the few premium rimfires that occasionally qualifies as a genuine hidden bargain. Number 1, Marlin XT-22. We've covered rifles that excel in portability, affordability, modularity, and ease of maintenance. The rifle at the top of this list earns the number 1 spot for a different reason. It brings those qualities together while offering something every survival rifle ultimately depends on: confidence that the shot will land exactly where you intend. The Marlin XT22 is a bolt-action rifle chambered in .22 LR, and for years it has been respected by hunters who judge equipment by results rather than brand recognition. Its reputation wasn't built through aggressive marketing. It was built one accurate shot at a time in the hands of people who needed a dependable field rifle. The heart of the platform is its barrel and action. The bolt cycles smoothly, locks up consistently, and provides the stability needed for excellent accuracy. Whether you're using standard velocity ammunition for quiet shooting or high velocity hunting loads, the rifle maintains predictable performance across a wide range of conditions. One feature that deserves special attention is Marlin's adjustable ProFire trigger. Instead of accepting the heavy trigger pull common on many budget rifles, shooters can tune the trigger to achieve a cleaner, more consistent break. That small improvement makes precise shot placement noticeably easier, especially when aiming at small game where a few inches can mean the difference between success and failure. The rifle also benefits from a practical, no-nonsense design. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Replacement parts remain available through the used market and aftermarket suppliers, and the platform has proven capable of lasting for decades when properly cared for. It's the kind of firearm that often stays in a family because there's simply no reason to replace it. Its only real weakness is availability. Since Marlin discontinued the XT series after changes in company ownership, finding a brand new example is no longer realistic. Most buyers will need to search the used market, and prices can vary depending on condition and local demand. So, after looking at all 10 rifles, one thing becomes pretty clear. A good survival rifle isn't determined by the biggest brand name or the highest price tag. It's determined by how well it performs when you actually need it. Reliability, practical accuracy, simple maintenance, and affordable ammunition will almost always matter more than flashy features or the latest marketing campaign. Whether you prefer the lightweight simplicity of the Chiappa Little Badger, the modern convenience of the Winchester Wildcat, the proven precision of the Marlin XT22, or one of the other hidden gems on today's list, the best choice is the rifle that fits your mission, your budget, and the amount of time you're willing to spend mastering it. Now I'd like to hear from you. Is there a budget survival rifle you think deserves far more recognition? Maybe you've owned one of these for years, or maybe there's another hidden gem that didn't make today's countdown. Share your experience in the comments because real-world feedback is often more valuable than any spec sheet. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more honest reviews of underrated firearms, practical survival gear, and no-nonsense range discussions, you're in the right place.